Hello sweet friends, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today I have a Scrapdiva design team project using the dies from the July 2024 release. We had quite a few tropical die sets that I am totally in love with, and I can't wait to share this project with you. So let me go over the dies that I used in this project. I have the Flamingo Shakeer. Now this one has a right and left flamingo, and it comes with all the dies that you need to decorate this project. And the next one I used is the Hibiscus flower plate. This die comes with a small and a large flower, and it comes with all the pieces that you need to create a beautiful hibiscus. The next one I have are the tropical leaves. There are 9 dies in this set. There are two dies that have a right and a left leaf, and that's this one right here with the holes that it cuts out, and this one right here. There's a right and a left, but there's a total of 9 dies in here. I used an oldie but goodie. This is from a previous release this year. This is called the A2 Gift Box. I really like this die. I used it again. And then another oldie but goodie that I used is this one right here, which is called the 3D Gift Box. So I like the size of this gift box, so I used it in the project. I will leave links to the dies in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. And please use Carol 10 at checkout for 10% off your order. If you use the links, they're affiliate links. They don't cost you anything extra, but they help me and my channel, and I appreciate you using them so very much. So let's go ahead and see what I created. For the first one, I'm going to share with you, I forgot one other die, and this is another oldie but goodie. I'm not sure what this one is, but it has several summer words in it. It says sunshine, beach hair, don't care. It has this one right here, which looks like bright, and then sun, U, and R, and then another one right here that I can't make out. Sparkle. So I did use the word sunshine out of this die set. So that's another oldie but goodie. And so let me bring this into view. This is the A2 gift card box. I love this die set. This is the one that I put the nail kit in. And I may just do that with this one as well. I love the Flamingo Shakeer. I just love it. So what I did is I cut out my flamingo, and I did cut out the wing, but I put some feathers on it because I wanted it fluffy, and I think it's adorable. Here are the hibiscus flowers, and I have the tropical leaves behind it, and here's the word sunshine, and I didn't do anything too fancy with the box yet. Like I said, I think I'm going to put a nail kit in it as well. But I think that's so cute for a summer project. This would be great for a summer birthday where you could put a gift card in it as well. And also I do make clay bracelets, and I think this could house a tropical bracelet set in here, and that would be great for a birthday gift. So that's that one, and I'll kind of leave it here so you can see it. And then I'll bring this one into view. This is the, let me get this one right, it's just a 3D gift box. And I love this die set. I told you that already. I like the size of it. So here I have the flamingo going the opposite way of this one, because you get both in the die set. And I just put a little bow on top, and I covered it with some tropical leaves and the hibiscus again, and just made this cute little gift box. You can make this gift box a shaker. I did not. I just wanted to keep it pretty simple. because I'm thinking of making a lot of these, like maybe 8 to 10 of these boxes. And so I just wanted to keep it pretty simple that I could mass produce it, because I will be putting little gifts in here for a gift exchange. So I hope that you enjoyed this little share of mine today with the Flamingo Shakeer die. So cute, isn't it? And I did get these feathers a long time ago at Michael's. So just in case you're looking for colored feathers, they used to have them there. I hope they still do. So until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.